Prepare for an epic aerial journey with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this compact drone is set to redefine your flying experience. Packed with innovative features and cutting-edge tech, it's not just a drone, it's a game changer. Stay tuned to discover why the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate choice for capturing stunning moments from the sky. Let's kick things off with the Mini 4 Pro's incredible weight advantage, weighing in at under 249 grams. This drone lets you bypass the registration process, say goodbye to bureaucratic hassles and hello to spontaneous, on-the-go adventures. Travel light, fly freely, and experience the world from a whole new perspective. Now, let's talk about the cinematic capabilities of the Mini 4 Pro. Unleash your creativity with stunning vertical videos in breathtaking 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Enhanced with high dynamic range HDR, whether it's the golden hues of sunrise, to vivid colors of sunset, or the mesmerizing lights of the night. Capture every moment with unmatched clarity. Share your videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Streamlining your content creation process. Safety is a top priority, especially for those new to drone flying. The Mini 4 Pro comes equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology. This means precise detection capabilities in all directions, providing you with peace of mind as you soar through the skies. Worry less about collisions and focus more on capturing stunning footage, even if you're a first-time user. Battery anxiety, be gone. The Mini 4 Pro boasts extended battery life, ensuring uninterrupted, longer flights. Explore vast landscapes, chase the horizon, and capture the beauty of the world from above without the fear of your battery cutting your adventure short. Let nothing hold you back as you push the limits of exploration. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of real-time aerial footage with the Mini 4 Pro's impressive 20-kilometer full HD video transmission range. Lag-free image transmission guarantees an immersive experience, allowing you to see the world from a bird's-eye view as if you were right there in the sky. This feature is not just about distance, it's about the quality of the visuals, essential for long flights and captivating content. Now, let's talk about control. The Mini 4 Pro introduces Active Track 360, giving you the power to customize intelligent tracking with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, achieving complex and seamless operation effects is effortless. Capture smooth videos, track fast-paced action, and elevate your content creation game with this innovative feature. From capturing dynamic scenes to seamless tracking, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a versatile tool for content creators and drone enthusiasts alike. Its intelligent tracking and flight features make it a powerhouse in its category. In windy conditions, the lightweight DJI Mini 4 Pro drone may experience some vibrations. Its powerful propulsion system helps maintain stable hovering or safe return to home. The drone's automatic gimbal control adjusts to keep the footage stable, even in windy conditions. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a drone that transcends expectations. If you're ready to elevate your aerial adventures, explore new horizons, and capture the extraordinary, check out the link in the description to make your purchase. And don't forget to show us some love by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell for more thrilling content. Fly high, capture the extraordinary, and embrace the freedom of the skies with the DJI Mini 4 Pro.